If you eat too much, you get very fat. Now, coconut nut is a big nut. What is delicious nut? It's not a nut, it's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family. There are so many uses of the coconut tree. You can build a big house for the family. All you need is to find the coconut man. If he cuts the tree, he gets the fruit tree. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. Of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family. The coconut bark for the kitchen floor. If you save some of it, you can build a door. Now the coconut rock, do not throw this junk. If you save some of it, you'll have second floor. The coconut wood is very good. If you start with ears, if you braid it wood. Now the coconut root, to tell you the truth, you can throw or use it as firewood. Now the coconut is good shaded leaves for the rose water was up against the eaves. Now the coconut tree, say my relatives, made good cannonballs against the thieves. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. Of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm.